you're welcome aboard to the world famous jungle with the cruise. My name is Bosco, and I will be a skipper, tour guide, and swimming coach for the next coming 3 exciting days and 2 romantic nights. Oh, before we start our journey, please remain seated, keep your arm, elbows inside the boat, and take care of the children. Thank you. All right, guys, are you ready? Yeah! Here we go! All right, let's see the left-hand side first. Look at the left side. Wow! Over there, you can see nothing. All right, let's see the right side. Look at the right side. Who know what it is? No one know. This is Tyson Treehouse. If you want to visit Tyson, you can go to take a bath, but remember, don't swim under that manic crocodile underwater, and they will eat your life. Now we are off for our adventure on the longest river in the world, but don't worry, I know the shortcut. Look, who's that? Elephant, yeah, let's say hello to them. Hello! It's look like the mountain elephant teaching us how to run. Oh, let's see the right side. It's the broad elephant taking a shower. Oh, I've been under the water too long, looking off for winkles. You see, I don't have any winkles. You know why? Why? I don't shower. I'm looking for another one. All right, guys, are you ready? You ready? Yeah. Ready to get wet? Okay, okay. Let's get wet together. In 3, 2, 1. Just kidding. Sorry, I got it. Oh no. The valley elephants followed us off the main river, and I will never been this way before. Where are we now? Oh, do you know these animals? Spiders. No spiders. It's lobster. Yeah, my favorite food is lobster, and it can jump very far too. Oh, look at your shirt. It's so beautiful. I like it. Where you got it? Wow, can you see that? The cobra is everywhere. We are at the hostel. Now hold still and hold your breath. Alright, you gotta relax. It's not like we are out of it just now. Oh no, look! Maybe we are not. Now keep your hands, feet, legs, and arms inside the boat. Wow! There's so many crocodiles here. Let's get off here. I don't want to be at lunch. Oh, I know where are we now. There is the camp of scientists. But where are they? Oh no, look! He's holding a gun, everyone! Get down, get down, get down, get down! Wow, wait! Don't shoot me, please! Yeah, shoot down. Shoot him! Shoot her! Don't shoot me, thanks. Wow, look at the front. Up ahead is a field with all kinds of animals, including the zebras, elephant, and giraffe. Alright guys, ask the question. Do you know what's the difference between a female zebra and male zebra? No one know? Yeah, that's simple, let me teach you. The male zebra is white with black stripes and the female zebra is black with white stripes. Yeah, if you don't believe me, I can let you get off the boat there, I can close a look, okay? So listen carefully. The left 2 zebra is a man, and the right 3 is the woman. Do you know why? Yeah, because the woman is already right. Now we are going into the danger hippo pool. These 16,000 pounds water can beat away of our boat, but don't worry. They're sleeping now, so keep quiet. Don't let them move. So dangerous, look, they're terrible. Oh, there they are. The scientists and my best friend, Skipper Skip. So happy to see them here, but I think they're in trouble. Shall we help them? No. Alright, bye! I wish you guys good luck. Oh, here we are. We may meet some friendly locals. Look at the lovely decoration. Nothing here. You see? A smiley face. Alright, let's say hello to them. Hello. Hi. Good afternoon. Sawadee-kup. Annyeonghaseyo. Konnichiwa. Wait, so quiet. Oh! Get down, get down! Whoa! 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 Whoa, your face! So pretty. Alright, now we are ready back home. In fact, you can see the door from there. here. Everyone, don't stand up till my ship is parked. And this is a very special ship. It's called Relationship. The best relationship you ever had. Oh! Wait! Hold on! What's going on? Oh no! Could this be the Kenya of the gas? Let's get on here. Oh! We are flying in front and back. What should we do? Hey, I wanna go home. Let me go, please. We are trapped. Are we here? We are trapped. Hey, what are you laughing at? You're so creepy. What's going on? Ow! Oh no! The fire is coming. The fire is sweeping. Ow! Oh, hold your breath. Don't smell it. He's toxic. Wow, we are so lucky. He's was the one guy who saved us. You guys so brave. So give yourself a big hand. Come on. Yeah! We made it. Oh, who's that? Oh, it's the baby elephant. He's coming to fight us.
Non farlo,
He's so cute.
non farlo.
And he's from
Quello
3
lì
days
schicca.
ago. Alright, before we back, hope is women center. Keep your arm, elbows inside the boat and don't cross the grave area. Now you can say goodbye to the baby elephant. Bye bye. After we back to the door, please promise me don't climb the windows. If you climb over my windows, you'll become a gorilla. And I will send you back to the jungle in banana forever. If you enjoy the journey, remember my name. My name is Bosco. If you don't like that, yeah, just forget about me. Give me a few more seconds to stop my boat. Alright, my boat is stopped completely. It's time to say bye bye. Bye bye.